Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe at PTI Securities and Futures with your Monday, July 25th market wrap-up. Today, overnight, markets traded down significantly due to Friday afternoon when the budget talks broke down, so they had a negative impact on Asia and then even also on Europe. We traded down down to 1321 in the S&Ps overnight, but we came right back. There was no fundamental news today. There was some earnings reports today. Kimberly-Clark cited some very bad cost overruns, which ate into their earnings. But some of the other earnings were not that bad. But the earnings were not the focus today. The focus today was on the debt ceiling, and the fact that no one's coming to terms. And the press conferences, one after another, basically indicated that we're getting nowhere close, nowhere anytime soon. So at the end of the day here today, the S&P closed down 750 at 1337, significantly higher than its low. The Dow closed down 88 at 12,592. The NASDAQ closed down 16, although it was up for part of the day at 2842. The 10-year note actually closed a little bit above 3%, 3.0004 to be precise. And so realistically, even though we're having a major issue, people still are not running from U.S. Treasuries. The dollar edged down a little bit today, but the story of the day was the VIX. The VIX was actually up 1.83, closed at 1935. So what this is doing to us, though, is the near-term options are trading a little bit more expensive than the further out. So for a lot of our clients, and especially people who are in the PIP, whose calls have slipped into the money a little bit, we're trying to do calendar spreads above the market at a 4 to 5 point volatility edge. We were almost there today. We had several tickets in, none of which were executed. However, we're very close, so if the volatility expands just a little bit more tomorrow in the near-term months, we should be able to get those done. Tomorrow, looking forward, we have several housing. We have the Case-Shiller Index. We also have the new home sales. And we have consumer confidence tomorrow. None of those are expected to be really too good, so it'll be another interesting day tomorrow. It's been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.